Yogi Clan, what is up, y'all? Rolling out of church, heading to Hickory. What am I heading to Hickory for, might you ask? For our poker run, the first ever Forge Motorcycle Club poker run. And what's that run for? That run is for Chili and Chili's family. Mentioned that in an earlier video. He lost both his mother and father within a couple weeks of each other. I think a little bit about a month ago or so. And we're going to do this and help him raise some money for some final expenses. So join us today as we roll up to Hickory, support one of our brothers, and have a good time at a poker run. All right, tight U-turn, tight U-turn. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh, squeaky brakes. So, are these hats open to the general public?
If they need to be, they can.
Let me see.
That would be amazing to the general public.
Turn it, turn it.
Wouldn't it? Yeah.
Now,
I mean, you know.
That may change.
That may
Subject to change.
Yeah.
Keep turning.
And then obviously,
Yep, that won't be there.
and then this is not.
Yeah. And I like that one too. I like it on the
All right.
side also.
I turned it. Okay. All right.
Yeah, at 3. Hey, Joe.
What's up, man?
Okay, I think I got all this.
Do you mind if I record this while
No,
I'm
do you?
talking?
Come on. Oh, I'm on record.
Yeah, I think
So,
Yep.
I think I got everything done. Is there? Ask me some questions to make sure I got everything.
Make sure when they're filling that out, they are the ones who initial. They're the ones who we initial the cards, not them. We,
Oh yeah, I didn't get that. I was gonna. I do have that.
Andrew, we initial the cards with
Yeah.
with what's drawn.
Yeah, your initials.
Yeah. They pull, you fill it out. Yeah.
One, pull 2 cards there, boss.
What's up, Chuck?
What's up, Yogi?
If it's too up to
Then the rider gets a separate card. They get their own hand.
but they're still only paying this weekend.
So how much are we charging? 20 and
20 and 25.
Alright. 2 hands for 25. You can do 3 for 30.
So you both get
That way we don't have to break a 10.
filled with like sterling silver foil?
No,
Or
it's
what?
only.
Or is it white gold?
No, see the gold in there? It's only the face cards, and it's the gold on
the whole thing was a foil gold.
No, the gold on the face cards is 24 karat gold foil.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't even recording either.
Nobody?
1, 3, 4.
Ah, so close.
And yet so far.
All right, last 3 numbers. 130. It's the white ticket. 130. All right, next raffle item. I'm gonna go ahead and give away the hat. Let's do the hat and the keychain together. 3, 4, 1.
Hey.
Hat keychain. Hat keychain. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and do the winning hands. All right, Brandy won $200.
Does it count if I didn't know?
Yay! Good job, Randy.
All right, second best hand, Tony Powell. Are you here, Tony?
Go, Tony!